Hello and welcome. Today, joining us here today, we have with us Professor Asif Zamir, Professor of Marketing from the Ford School of Management. So, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And Sir has joined us today as a session expert for the sixth edition of Anusandhan, the annual research competition hosted by Rukmani Devi Institute of Advanced Studies. Sir, आपका experience कैसा जा रहा है? How are you liking it? What bit has been your favorite till now?
Well, I would say that the experience has been so fantastic. I'm honored to be here. The institute has treated all of us so very well, so graciously, and the arrangements and everything is so spot on. I'm super excited and super impressed by the coordination team and the people here, the faculty members. Your director was so humble, so down to earth. So it has been a very very nice and enriching experience to come to this particular thing. Honored to be here.
Shukriya, sir. So my next question would probably be that, sir, in your inaugural speech, you have spoken about Industry Academia Connect. Sir, so in that context, what makes a research paper very compelling so that it becomes the winner of Anusandhan?
Okay, so I'll circle back to that same argument. To me, any marketing research, especially a research paper in the domain of marketing, which is an applied science, it is not really a natural science. So all theories of marketing and whatever we understand from in marketing as a course has been derived from successful practices of different companies. So that means somebody has done research on actual problems, actual situations, case studies of companies, and then culled out the theories. For example, even 4Ps is a theory of marketing. So people like Neil Borden and Jerome McCarthy, they have studied so much on successful company and then tried to give us a framework that if you do this kind of things, probably your success rate will be high. So in that same light, I would say any problem which is the real problem which industry is facing, and if you are able to build a solution or answer to that through your research paper, that's to me is the ultimate litmus test of any marketing research paper.
Wonderful. So you're bringing it back and circling down to focusing on a local problem rather than a.
Local problem, company problem, problem with government initiatives of marketing. Government does so much marketing. For example, anti tobacco campaign or anti legal. All of them have some potentials for research from marketing angle, especially the impact of these kind of things. So that's where I come in. That's where my answer to this particular question is coming from.
जी और सर जाते जाते एक लास्ट मैसेज दिल से आपके फॉर द यंग रिसर्चर्स फॉर द एकेडमिशियंस आप क्या रिकमेंड करते हैं रिसर्च कैसे की जाए
See, we have been listening to all great luminaries today. All of them talked about that research has both the kinds of story. One is the pain side and one is the pleasure side. Uh, Forget the pain, forget the pleasure. Do some research right now because that's first thing. Start somewhere, go ahead, and then start making your way into the right direction. But the first thing is take the first steps toward research. Do whatever is the immediate problem. Start small and then think big. Think big. That's my answer to your problem.
wonderful thank you so much sir
Thank you
for
so much.
joining us so vocal for local ladies and gentlemen so that was professor asif
Yeah,
Faiz.
all
Thank
the
you so
best to
much
all of you for this particular event. Thank you. Thank you.